Hey guys, good morning, good day, good Tuesday. Today I have recipe for big red fish. Yes. See? Yeah. So I'm cooking soup, vegetable with fish. Fish. String beans. Yes. Tomato, ginger, eggplant, and red Sinigang recipe. That recipe is starts so like okay. Wow, big fish, yes, red fish. So together with the string beans and some ingredients. Ginger, onion, tomato, and bring to boil. Eggplant, string beans, yes, okay, and cover. So we're going to put now the fish, yes. Yeah. Okay. Wow. So we put the sinigang, sampalok. I like strong. Okay. Okay. It's ready. So we put the kangkong leaves like kangkong. The last final. And green chili. Yes. And 3 minutes. So we check. Wow, it's ready. Yes. Nice. Ready. My sopa. Perfect. Smell good. Wow, okay, sarap, yummy. So let's go eating now with my dish. Lunch, and thank you for watching and subscribe. Bye bye.
Randy TV.